This is a problem on your week 8 turn-in assignment that I thought I'd go over with you since another student had asked about it. You're asked to simplify this radical. And so we remember that when we're dealing with simplifying cube roots, we have to think about our perfect cubes, like 2 cubed is 8, 3 cubed is 27, 4 cubed is 64, 5 cubed 125, and so on. Now what we're trying to do is find the largest perfect cube that divides evenly into 135. Well, it's an odd number, so it's not going to be divisible by an even number. So I'm going to do 135 divided by 27, and I get 5. So I can rewrite the cube root of 135 as the cube root of 27 times 5. What happens then is the cube root of 27 is 3. And we end up with 3 times the cube root of 5.